In this video, we'll show you how to prepare your project for exporting and organize it properly. Organizing is key to have a better overview, faster navigation, and speed up your workflow. The first step in organizing your project is properly naming all your tracks. Right-click on a track and select Rename, Color, and Icon. Give each track a clear name so you'll instantly know what sort of sound or instrument it is. Secondly, rearrange your tracks in a logical order. Right-click and choose Move Up or Down to change the order of the tracks. For example, organize them by instrument type or musical function, such as drums, bass, synths, guitars, vocals, etc. Thirdly, use color coding to further enhance the overview of your project. Right-click a track and select Change Color and select a color for the track. For example, give all tracks in an instrument group the same color. Or give different song sections their own color, such as intro, verse, chorus, etc. Now, on to preparing your project for export. An important thing to always check is that the master channel isn't clipping. You can see its peak level here. The absolute maximum when working with digital audio is 0 dBFS, or decibels full scale. If you go over 0 decibel, your mix is clipping. This results in digital distortion and will make your music sound bad. If your mix is clipping, select all channels and lower their levels until the master isn't clipping anymore. A good reference is to aim for a peak level of -6 dBFS on your master channel. Whenever your export needs to be louder, you can temporarily insert a limiter to boost and limit it to 0 dBFS. To export your project to a single audio file, go to File, Export, and select the file format. When exporting an MP3 file, be aware that data compression is applied, resulting in loss of quality. If you want to export an audio file without losing sound quality, select a PCM format like WAV. Select a location to save it to and give your export a proper name. Under Project Type, select Full Song to export the whole length of your project. Alternatively, you can also make a selection in the timeline first and choose Song Selection. Click on Start to start rendering your mix. Now you've learned the basics of organizing your project and exporting audio. Thank you for watching. This was the last episode of DAW Basics. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our upcoming video tutorials. Of course, if you want to learn more in-depth techniques in music production, sign up for one of our courses.